Good morning, everybody. Today we are taking the CJ to our local-ish antique truck show. So we're going to go ahead and get it loaded up on the trailer with our little helper who just woke up. And then we're going to take it up closer to the show. Then we're going to ride over with double club diesels and his Brockway. So stay tuned for that. Alrighty guys, we made it up to Dean's, his work anyways. And we got the Brockway loaded on the Landau. I got my Jeep over here. We are going to trailer them over to the show, and then we'll take them off the trailer there. Alrighty, we made it here. Let's go get it unloaded. Alrighty guys, let's get in there. And what year did you say this was?
67.
1980
chassis.
1967 on a 1980 chassis. Has a Nissan diesel in it. Well guys, today was awesome. We got to meet a lot of cool people. Got the Jeep back on the trailer, right there. I wanted to interview some people about their vehicles, but it's really tough. There's a bunch of old guys here, and a lot of these people don't like being on camera, so it's kind of tough. I did get to talk to a lot of these people in person without a camera in their face, and got to learn some pretty cool stuff. Just talking to some of these people really makes me want to do some more stuff to the CJ. So we are going to be back working on the CJ here in a little bit. I got a couple things planned, some cool stuff. If you like these videos and you want to see some more, watch this one or this one.